In this video, I'll guide you on how to transfer funds from a Forex card to a bank account in 2024. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, it's always a good idea to take a peek at your available balance on the Forex card. You can easily do this using the online app designed for managing your Forex card, or if you prefer, you can also reach out to customer care team at your Forex card provider. So not only does this keep you in the loop about your finances, but it also allows you to stay on top of your spending and ensures a hassle-free financial experience. Okay, now let's dive into the details. The exchange rate and the transfer fee. It's essential to know what you're getting into, right? So go take a look at those numbers and ensure everything adds up before proceeding. Alright, so once you've checked your balance and reviewed the rates, it's time to request the transfer. This step is quite straightforward. You can do it online through the official website or mobile app of your Forex card provider. Or you can reach out to customer support. Just have your card details ready, the card number, CVV, expiry date, and also let them know the amount you want to transfer and share the bank details where you want the balance to land. Then, if applicable to your provider, confirm your transfer by entering the code sent to your mobile or email address. And that's it. Your transfer is on its way and you will receive a confirmation message with all the details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.